Hello, my name is Julian Adams and welcome to Simplified Building. If you're watching this, then you probably need an ADA handrail. But what does that actually mean? As a matter of fact, an Arby's in Fort Wayne, Indiana was faced with these very same questions, and we were able to help them get everything they needed to keep their customers safe and to be compliant. Let's head over to the desk and I'll show you how we did it. Every situation is going to be a little bit different. There are requirements that every ADA handrail needs to meet, and if you're looking for more information about that, then you can click the link below to read our ADA guide. The term ramp is often used very generally. However, the ADA has specific requirements for ramps like this one that exceed a 1 in 20 slope. If it is less than that, or if you're working with stairs, then you'll have a different set of requirements, and we'll go over those in a different video. The first requirement I want to cover is what I call the 4-inch sphere rule. Essentially, you can't allow a 4-inch sphere to roll off the edge of your ramp. You can do this with a curb or a barrier of some kind, and in this case, we used a bottom rail as that barrier. This is important for people that need to use a wheelchair, crutches, or something like that so that they and their devices stay on the ramp. The next thing I want to highlight is a ramp needs to have handrails on both sides. This brings up an important design consideration, the width of the ramp. A ramp has to be wide enough to have at least 36 inches of space between both handrails. This could affect where the posts are placed and how they're mounted. The good news for our customer is that the width of their ramp was enough to accommodate this requirement while still being able to mount the post to the surface of the ramp. The benefit of mounting the post to the surface is that it's easier to install and provides a more uniform look. Speaking of looks, the last thing I want to cover is color. Even though color isn't a part of ADA requirements, being on brand was important to our customer. And you can see how we were able to match the color of the handrail to their brand color. This helped pull everything together and made the entrance to their store look nice and clean. Like I said in the beginning, we didn't cover every ADA requirement in this video. We just wanted to highlight some of the unique challenges that our customer faced and how we helped them overcome them. It's as easy as that. Here at Simplified Building, we focus on how we can make this as simple as possible for you. We want to make sure that you feel confident in what you're doing by making the ADA code simple for you and helping you apply it to your project. No matter what phase of the project you're in, we're here to help. You can give us a call or send us an email. We look forward to working with you soon. Interested in more projects like this one? Hit the subscribe button for more.